Today we're going to be doing bra hacks for a halter top. There's so many options, I can't wait to share with you. Hi, I'm April Golightly. I love helping curvy women look fabulous. I'm so excited today. We're going to be doing bra hacks for halter tops. So you can totally use all these hacks, one of these hacks. I think you'll have fun. Let's get started. The first way to wear a halter top is just wear a regular bra and like pull your hair down to cover the straps. You know, get enough, maybe get a halo extension or just extensions and use those extensions to cover your bra straps. So that's number one, super easy hack. That's something I totally have done before, and sometimes I'm just desperate and want to be able to wear, you know, a halter top and I throw on my fake hair and call it a day. The second hack is actually using a plunging bra. So with this plunging bra, it's really awesome. It comes with a ton of different straps and allows you to wear a strapless. It's like a lower back. You can have your back open, and it plunges really far into the front. So this bra is like really versatile, and it comes with like a clear strap, a really nice thick strap. And also you can make it so that you can wear something really, really low by crossing it in the front. It's super cool. But for a halter top, what I do is I take the strap across the top of my head, and there's like two little holders on each side to hold the strap in and basically alter it based on how much, like, or how high you want your boobs to be, like how much cleavage you want. So I did that here, and it's a great option. My only gripe about this is that the plunging bra just adds some padding to your breasts when you're large busted. You don't really want to add anything to that area. I like to wear like very thin, like t-shirt bras or lace bras so that I'm not like adding weight to that area. You know, I don't want to look bigger than I already am. So this totally does work, but it's just not my ideal solution. I wanted to show you guys like how thick this is. This is extra padding that I think it's necessary for some tops because you want some contour there, but for the halter tops, I don't necessarily think it's necessary. But it comes with this strap here, and then these back straps that keep it so that you can keep it pretty open in the back if you want to. It's very cool. But again, like, it's very, very thick. I don't know if you can tell. Solution. Another awesome solution is taking a bra that you already have. Like, I have a strapless bra, and the strapless bra also has those little, I don't know what they're called. They're just like little holders for the strap. Let me get it in here so you guys can see. For example, this is my favorite strapless bra. So in the strapless bra, there's actually this little holder right here for, I should know what these words mean, but I don't know. Okay. So for example, this strap, this little thing goes into it. Sorry, I should know the words. I will try to learn them and remember them for you guys, but at this point it's the little holder with the little strap. So if you're a bra wearer, you know what this is. So you take it here and then you take it to the other side. Not all strapless bras have these little holders, but this one does. This is my favorite. This is the Cole. So you can use a strapless bra to wear a halter. It's really cool. And usually these strapless bras, they come with like either an extra strap that's a little bit thicker, or they come with straps so that you can wear the strapless as a regular bra. I mean, I'm not sure that anybody actually does that, but a lot of people want the versatility of being able to say, you know, this is a convertible bra. I can convert into a million different variations, when at the end of the day, I end up using it pretty much only for a strapless. But I've been venturing outside of my comfort zone with different tops lately, and like this halter top, I'm so excited to try it out and find a bra that works for it. So yeah, that's definitely going to work for it. This Cole will definitely work for it. Again, this is my favorite strapless. Another awesome option is actually this Free People bra. I think I either donated the one that I had, or because it just was too small on me, or I gave it away. I'm not exactly sure. Or if I I might have sold it. I'm not sure. It was a free people bra, and I had it in a few different colors, and it's a lace halter top. They come in, I think, extra small to extra large. So if you're like extremely big busted, I don't think that's an option. But so with that lace bra, it's really cool because you can kind of get that lace look. You can see the lace strap. That's the problem with it. It looks cool if you want the lace to be seen, but if you want to like hide the straps and you don't want any bra straps showing or any lace showing, it's not a great option. I actually found some similar bras to this original Free People one on Amazon. I'm going to link them. I don't have experience with these specifically, but if you like the lace look under your halter, kind of that like boho chic look, I feel like this would totally work for you, and it's super comfortable. I mean, you're basically wearing a bralette, but it's just a halter bralette. Okay, the next option that I wanted to tell you guys about is I kind of deconstructed my black bra. So this is a black, very thin, lacy bra that it wasn't fitting me perfectly, so I decided to give it some modifications. I'm showing you here how I did it. And first I took the top strap and made one of those little loops that we were talking about so that the strap right here, little strap holder thing, can go into the loop. So I made a loop here and I made a loop here. And I used a straight stitch and I did it a few times over so that it will really stay on. And then the next thing I did, basically I then cut off the straps, and then I cut off the back straps so that I used a razor blade to do that, or you can use you can use a razor blade or like a tweezer or something to get rid of those straps. Here, instead of taking off the full strap, I just took off the back part of it and then cut it off. That way I wasn't disturbing the seams and I wouldn't have to like sew as much. Basically, I'm trying to make it super easy. So with this bra, it was actually a little too loose on me, even though I think it was a 36 double D or triple D, and the cup fit perfectly. But because it has some stretch in it, and I feel like it was a little too stretchy. So I'm like a 38, and this was a 36. I hate that bras are never perfect, and I missed the return window on this one. Yeah, I haven't worn it that much. I think it didn't fit from the get-go. So what I did was I measured myself, and then I measured this stretched. Like I stretched it all the way out, and I figured what the difference was. And whatever the difference was, I divided it in half. And then when I divided it in half, I did that little extra fold over with it. With this, I actually did a zigzag stitch both sides of it so that it has stretchability, because this is going to be stretched around my body. Therefore, the straight stitch is just not as good as like a back stitched zigzag stitch. So yeah, I did it on both sides, right at the edge, so that I wasn't really, and it doesn't really matter anymore because there are no more straps to the back. So it wasn't going to be like pulling it in anymore, because that's sometimes what I think about. If you're altering the back of a bra, you might be pulling the straps weirdly inward. I've done that accidentally before, and it becomes more of a where the back straps go like this rather than straight down. So it doesn't matter anymore because I'm not using it for that. I'm using it as a halter bra. So I love this now. It fits perfectly, and it doesn't add any bulk, which is very nice, and it just totally works. So I'm using an old strap from probably my Wacol strapless bra in nude. I probably have a black one. I don't know where it is, but this way I'm using the old strap. I'm reusing it. I'm sure that if you don't have one, I'm going to link one down below if you are looking for this specific strap where it has the little hook on both sides, because not all bra straps are like that. So I'll link one from Amazon. It's probably like $5 or something like that. If you check through your bra drawer, I'm sure that you probably have this in there. I have like 10. Let me know if you need one. I can send it to you. I'm also going to link the needles that I used for doing this. You can do it by hand, but I would definitely recommend using the sewing machine and using the specific needles that I'm going to link down below. If you guys like these types of hack videos, please let me know in the comments below what you like about it, what you think I should make changes, or video ideas, because I can definitely do more videos. I love helping you guys. It's really super fun for me to like think outside the box and doing all these videos. Check out these other bra hack videos here.